Good morning. Let us see the summary of the poem Water Nightingale by John Keats. He is a famous English romantic poet. He belongs to younger generation of romantic poets. His poetry is characterized by sensuousness. He is very famous for his words and letters. His famous words are Ode on Irrigation, Ode to Nightingale, Ode on Indolence, Ode on Melancholy, and Ode to Autumn. His other works are Hyperion, Endymion, The Eve of Saint Agonist. Endymion is a work that opens with the line, A thing of beauty is a joy forever. This poem was written in 1819. He was inspired by the song of this bird. There are 8 stanzas in this poem. There are 10 lines in each stanza of this poem. This poem begins with the poet who says that he has pain in his heart. He has drunken hemlock. Hemlock is a poison which was given to Socrates at the time of his death. He has drunken opium. Opium is a drug. He is listening to the song of the bird. He is comparing his feelings to that of drugs. He then compares the nightingale to a light-winged dryad. Dryad is a female spirit in Greek mythology which sits on trees. The nightingale is sitting in beech tree and singing a melodious song. His feeling makes him sink into Leith river. Leith is a river which made people forget all their memories. The bird sings with its full throat. The poet wants to drink a wine that has been kept very cool and deep inside the earth. He wants to drink a wine called Hippocrene. Hippocrene is a fountain of muses who inspired poets. It's again a reference to Greek mythology. It makes him dance. It is like a Provencal song. Provencal is the name of the south region in France which is known for wine. He wants to drink this magical wine that will make him a great poet. He wants to drink the wine and join with the nightingale in the forest. He goes on to describe the appearance of the wine. There are bubbles in the wine. He wants to stick them into a bottle. He wants to join with the nightingale in the forest. He forgets all the stresses and cares in the society. He says that young people are getting old. They are sitting together and complaining about their pains in their life. He says that old people are suffering from a disease called palsy. Beauty will not last for a long time. A new love will be born tomorrow. He says that he will not rely on Bacchus. He is the god of wine in Greek mythology. He will depend on the wings of his own poetry, which will make him invisible. He is staying with the nightingale in the forest in the night time. There is a moonshine in the sky. The trees block the light of the moon in the night time. He says that he is not able to see the flowers at his feet. He is unable to smell the pleasant smell that plants are producing in the night time. He says that he is in love with death. He is hearing the sound of flies in the summer evening. He is ready to die while hearing the song of the nightingale. He is very happy to die. He calls this bird as an immortal bird. He says that this bird is not born for death. He talks about Ruth in this poem. He says that emperors and clowns listened to the same song of the nightingale, which he is hearing now. He says that Ruth heard the same song. He is a character taken from the Bible. She did not remarry after her husband's death. She was hearing the song of the nightingale when she was working in the fields. He bids goodbye to the bird. He says that the bird will be singing forever after his death. His eyes and ears will be useless to hear and listen to the song of this immortal bird. He compares this bird to many Greek mythological references. He compares his experience to a dream. He uses many images in this poem. He uses many symbols in this poem. He is listening to the sweet song of the bird. Thank you.